Today video is related to 15 strategy to grow your YouTube channel in 2020. First, target the right keywords. Second, optimize your profile. 3. Create top YouTube thumbnails. 4. Title videos like a pro. 5. Post video at the best time. 6. Build and promote video playlist. 7. Cross promote your YouTube channel. 8. Convert viewers into subscribers. 9. Regularly publish your YouTube content to social media. 10. Run a paid YouTube and campaign. 11 is collaborate with other creators and brands. 12. Give live streaming a try. 13. Embed your YouTube videos. 14. Run a content tar giveaways. 15. Target Google search results. 16. Customize your thumbnails. At the end, thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channels.